6:04 right now. The Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Center is once again on the cutting edge of research to find new cures, and Western New Yorkers are playing big roles, taking part in clinical trials. Our Katie Alexander joining us now live from the newsroom to break down one of the newest approaches in the works now at Roswell. Katie, good morning.
Good morning, Dave. Some researchers at Roswell Park are really focusing right now on viruses and immunotherapy. They say they're building on the progress that's been made over the years with treatments that use the body's immune response to fight cancer tumors, and adding new data from work with viruses to better treat certain types of cancer that really haven't responded to these attempts in the past. Metastatic breast cancer is one example. By the time it gets to that stage, there really is no cure right now, but that could change with a new immunotherapy approach that's the focus of clinical trials just opening at Roswell Park.
Overall, the full promise of immunotherapies is not fulfilled. Most of these patients still, unfortunately, disease progresses sooner than we like, and they die of their disease. And really, if there was ever any hope of really changing how we see metastatic cancer, I think immunotherapy is the key to really changing how we treat these patients.
The new metastatic breast cancer clinical trial is likely days away from opening at Roswell Park. The first patient has already been identified for it, and there are several trials for using this treatment to fight other types of cancer opening soon. We'll have a lot more on that coming up in the next half hour on Wake Up. For now, reporting live, Katie Alexander, News 4.
Katie, thank you.